Hi, it's Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. Today's manicure is an extra special collaboration because we're celebrating our 1-year anniversary from our first collaboration with my NailTube friends. And even though not everyone was able to participate this year, these are the manicures that were prepared. As a base, I chose this beautiful Beauty Big Bang holographic nail polish. This one is number 2. To stamp, I'll use this Morgan Taylor nail polish called Don't Toy With My Heart, and my Bundle Monster Time Machine stamping plate BMXL133. I stamped the same image on 3 of my nails. To add a little something extra, I stamped 1 gold heart on 2 of my nails using my Beauty Big Bang gold stamping polish. I finish off with my clear top coat from LA Colors. And the manicure is complete. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and don't forget that I'll have links to my friends' videos in the description box. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!